Ay, nako. Gugutom na ako. Magtatangalian na. Mga tol, mga kaibigan, ito po si Barbero 1965 at nanonood tayo ng TV at magtatangali na ako'y ginugutom. Iniisip ko kung ano iluluto ko pero parang masarap ata yung sinigang na isda. Yum, yum, yum. Yes! Sinigang na isda. Let's go. Mga tol, ito ang ating mga ingredients. I got some luya, ginger. I got the sibuyas, onions, garlic, bawang, tomato, kamatis, gabi, tarot, and last, the gulay, pechay, American bok choy. And of course, the fish, rockfish. In Tagalog, batong isda. Peace. Now, until we wait water to get boiled for half an hour, let's take a break. Break dance, pop dance. Let's go. Okay. Sayaw, tukmol, sayaw, tukmol, sayaw, tukmol, sayaw, tukmol. Alright. The break is over. Now, the water is boiling. Bukulo na yung tubig. So, ay, anak ng tao pa. It's time to put the ingredients. Yeah. Now we're gonna put the luya, ginger. Yeah. Sibuyas, onions, bawang, garlic, and tomato, kamatis. Okay. Now let's wait for this thing to get boiled. When it get boiled, we put some pampasarap. Okay? Okay. And then we put the fish. Babu. Alright. This one is already boiled. Mukulo na. So, now, it's time to put some ingredients. Pampasarap. Okay? Alright. First, I put my pampapogi muna. Yan. Okay. So, a little bit salt. Tansya-tansya lang. and a little bit patis, fish sauce, Filipino salty thing. Very, very delicious. Sarap yan. Okay. And we put some chicken nor. This is the powder. This is the powder. Chicken nor. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Put some little bit only. Just a little bit. The ingredients. All right, all right. And the paminta, black pepper, salt and pepper. All right. You know the salt and pepper, right? The group. Okay. This is what I'm talking about right here. Nor chicken powder. Pampasarap. Sarap yan. Now we put the gabi. In English, ano ba sa English ang gabi? Taro. Alright? Now we're gonna boil that for 15 minutes until half cook, and then we're going to put the fish. Okay, lalagyan natin yung isda pag lumambot na yan ng konti. Alright! Alright, it's been 10 minutes now. Let's go. I know this one is half cooked already. The carrot, yung gabi. So, let's put the fish. Ano po? At lagay na natin ang isda. The rockfish. In Tagalog, isdang nakabato. Alright! Now we put the fish already. Yung isda andun na sa loob. We just gonna wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. You know, the fish half cooked. Then we're gonna put the gulay, vegetable. All right. Okay. All right. Now the fish is almost cooked. Now the last ingredient we're gonna put is this mamacita sour broth pang-paasin. So let's go. Now, nilagay na natin yung the gulay. The last. Ito na po. At nalagay na natin ang gulay. Hintayin na lang po natin ng 5 minutes. At mukbang na. Okay. Now, nilagay na po natin ang pechay. You know, we put the vegetables already. The American bok choy. It's right here. Yummy. 5 minutes. It's cooked. It's time to eat. Now the lunch, it's ready. Now let's eat. Now it's mukbang time. Okay. Gabi. Tara. Init. Oh yeah. The gulay. Oh yeah. This taste sabaw. Mm. Now the fish. The rockfish. Isdang bato. Ooh. Ito. Okay, masarap. Kaibigan, mga kaibigan. I-try this sinigang sour soup, a Filipino dish. Number 1 to the Filipino people. So, you guys try. So, yeah. So, hanggang doon na lang po. Magkita-kita tayo muli sa susunod na kabanata.